Motorcycle maniacs, what is going on in your world today? Man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees, or actually it says 84 on here. Very nice, very nice. A little bit behind, man. Didn't put out a video last week, as y'all might have noticed, because I got struck down with the flu again, second time, and it sucked more than the first time. Yeah, but I'm pretty much over it, so all is good. And I got out today and actually went to Big Tex Indian of Denton, to have them look at this bike finally. And like I kind of figured, basically new rear fender, new turn signal, brake light housing. So I've got the estimate in my pocket, so I can't remember. It's basically going to be around $1,600. $1,600 is pretty close to parts and labor. So other than that, not much going on. So I got that done. Now I'm going to contact the lady that hit me and see how this goes. I'm going to guess probably not good, but we'll see. Fingers crossed that she does the right thing and somehow comes up with the money to pay me. But other than that, people, that's all I've got. Like I said, it's been kind of crappy. Between rain and getting sick and all that, I have not been on the bike. I might actually break 1,000 miles one day. Oh man, I'm at 760 miles on it now. So but anyway, y'all, I'm just going to make this a quick video, just a quick update on that, and I will keep you posted on anything else as far as what she says and all that coming up in the future. But I'm going to basically get off here and enjoy the day on the bike, because first off, I'm still nasally, and I don't really think y'all want to hear that, and coughing and all that fun stuff. So, like I said, just a quick one, y'all. I do appreciate y'all watching. Again, sorry that I'm behind, but hopefully I can get back on schedule and all that fun stuff. So anyway, y'all, if you got a bike, get out and ride, especially if you've got weather like I do right now. It is beautiful. If you don't have a bike, like I said, man, go buy you one. Oh, this guy is irritating me. Oh my goodness. Which lane do you want to be in? Alright, people, I'm going to end this one. I do appreciate y'all watching. Sorry it took so long and that I'm late on putting a video out. I'm going to try to do that and keep on schedule with one a week. If everything will start working with me and I can get over flu bugs and teeth issues. Anyway, y'all, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you got a bike, get out and ride. Just ride safe. If you don't have a bike, get out and buy you one. 'Tis the season. Weather is changing for the better. It's time to make the purchase, man. And there's a dang train. And see, this is where I got hit last time, and it was because of a damn train. Oh, not a good sign for me. Watch my mirrors. Watch my mirrors. Anyway, y'all, have a good one. Take care. Ride safe. See you on the next video. Bye.